all, welcome to John's Ball Making. Today we got the U-boat, the U96 U-boat. Here we have the little beauty so far. There we go, that is the hull with one forward compartment on, and here we have another compartment. There we go, this is the radio and listening room with the commander's quarters and a couple of bunk beds and a toilet you can't see, but never mind. Kit 29, there we go. We start with kit 29 and we have some connectors to pop into place, and in kit 30 we get a large section of the hull plus a temporary stand. So without further ado, let's get on with the build. So here we have kit 29. There we go, we have a cable, there should be a label for that, and these are all connectors, that's all they are. You get two lots of screws, there we go, some black ones, and oh no, there are three lots of screws, longer ones. We should have a label as well. So these screws, we have AM, DM, which are the longer ones, and DP, which are for plastic. Black ones are always for plastic. Then we need to get this cable apart and put the label on it, and then we can pop it into place. And it doesn't matter which end you put this label, because both ends are exactly the same. So we'll pop that just there like so, pop them into the way. Now we can pop it into place onto here, and we need the label at this end away from this PCB. Just plug that in there and we're done. Now when we come to dress it, there's a little recess here, you can pop that into there. Like I said, make sure the label is on this end, not that end. Doesn't matter what the instructions say. Now we want 29.1, which is this connector. That I believe goes here, like so. And we'll need the AM screws for this. So we can get the first AM screw into place, two at the bottom here and one on either side. Excellent. There we go. So that lead comes through that recess just there, as you can see it, that little cutout. Now we need to remove this screw because we're going to change it for a DM screw, because we're going to pop 29.2 in place, which is this piece, which will capture that lead, I believe. And that will go just like that. And we use a DP screw at the bottom and a DM screw here, so just make sure you get that lead through there. You can just see it. Okay, don't get the DM screw in here. There we go, brilliant. And now we need a DP screw in here, so one DP screw. Excellent. And you can see that cable, how it's routed. Brilliant. Now we need to take this AM screw out, because we have the other bracket to pop in there. That will go like that. So we'll have a DP screw here and a DM screw at the bottom there. So we'll get the DM screw in first. Brilliant. And now just want one DP screw in here. Excellent. There we go. That is kit 29 completed. Brilliant. Let's move on to kit 30. Here we have kit 30. There we go. Those are the parts. These are two parts, temporary stand. Basically we can just fold that together and link it through there and there, and then pop it into place. There we go. Yep, that is part of the stand. Just pop these little bits out, straightforward enough. There we go. There we go. Now you can try and reinforce these if you wish. That should, there we go. Go like that, not forward in the middle. There we go. And what I might do, I might actually put mine on a sturdier base, glue it into place. Well, that's for a later date. There we go. First of all, we have this piece of the hull working brilliant, and this section, as you can see, is narrower than that section there, and that is what we connect here, like so. And we need the AM screws for this. You can see we've got 4. There we go. That's where the submarine upside down, that's where that fits. We just need to put that into place. You can see here we have room for something else to fit later on in the build. So we need 4 AM screws for this. So we can hold that there and get one of the screws in. There we go, excellent. That looks grand, I think. Yeah, nicely tucked up, brilliant stuff. Okay, now there she is after kit 30. There we go, there's the submarine on that temporary stand. They need a bit of a base, and there's another shot. Excellent. Let's move on to kit 31. Here we have kit 31. So we have an upper deck compartment, 31.1 and 31.2, compressed air cylinder, front bracket and a magnet. There we go, those are the parts. We also have the DP screws. Well, first thing we need to do is with 31.1 and 31.2 is actually put these together. Pop them that way around, and if it clicks together it's fine. If not, we can super glue it. There we go. I don't think we need any super glue on that at all, to be honest. We could pop that onto that front compartment afterwards, but first of all we need to get these off the sprue. Pop these together and we can pop these into place as well. Make sure you don't cut the end off there. There we go. I don't think they need, yeah, I've just got a little file, so I'll just clean up these little edges. There we go. Now we can pop these two together, and if they don't stay together we can, oh that's nice. Again, I don't think we'll need any glue for that. You can do if you wish, but I'm not going to bother. When I don't have to, I don't. Excellent, let's get them on to the submarine. Okay, here we got the submarine back. The first thing we need to do is this compressed air cylinder. That goes into 2 holes. So we have it that way around, and we can pop that just there like that. Now that's not going to stay, so we need to pop some glue onto this. A little bit of super glue on there and there. Get that the right way around again, and then pop that just there like that. Hold that for a second. There we go, that's in place. Now we want this upper compartments, as it says. As you can see, 2 holes there and there, and that will just situate itself just there like that. Again, we'll need to glue that. So pop that off, pop a little bit of glue around there, and some around there. There we go. And pop this back into place. Hold that there for a second whilst it sets. Okay, that's that in position. Now I need to flip this around. Okay, now we turn that around. We have this magnet and this bracket. Now I need to pop this magnet into here. Can do that there like that, and then just click it into place. There we go, that should be nice and bonny. And then we need to fit this onto here, across here, and we use the DP screws for this. That is the magnet in place. That is how that should look. You can hear it click into place. Pop that there, and we have 3 DP screws, 1 here and 2 here. Okay, let's get the first screw into here. That's a nice tight fit, that screw. Lovely. And we need 2 into here. And I'm going to have to make this, looks like that's going to be a tight one there. I'm going to have to hold that, bring that forward, push that into place to get that together. It's going to be a tight one, this one. Might have been better if I'd put that one in last. I think I'll try that again. I'll take that one out and take this one out actually. This is pulling them together, so get that there like so. This should make it easier. There we go, that's that first one in. And get the second one in now. There we go. Right, it's just a matter of pushing that across there. This will tighten it up a little bit. And you can see that coming together now. That's going to be a bit of a squeeze, that. There we go. Now let's get that. That should bring it more together. Excellent. So there's that magnet. That's the first magnet. 2 DP screws there and 1 DP screw there. I put them in 2 first simply because it was harder doing it the other way. Excellent. Okay, that is kit 31 completed. There we go. There's that magnet with its bracket and that upper compartment, and there we are. There's the upper compartment, that tube, and you can just about see the compressed air cylinder just behind there. Excellent. How much we'll see that later, I do not know. But anyway, let's move on to kit 32. Here we have kit 32. There we go. There is that section of the hull. That looks nice and bonny. That is a beam. Those 2 are connectors, which will go on the back. Here we have DP and AM screws. Now I do need a little rag for this. Put this over like so. And we need these 2 connectors. Now that one will go there, and this one will go there like so. And we need 4 AM screws, 2 in there, 2 in there. So I'll get these connectors in to place. As always, a little bit of oil. There we go. Excellent. Then we can pop this onto the submarine. Okay, there we got the submarine back into position. Pop the panel on just like that, and we have 2 DP screws, 1 here and 1 over here. That's a lovely tight bit. There we go. Now we need to get this in to there. See that alright? There we go. You can see where this screw goes into 29.2. There we go. Excellent. That holds that nicely. Brilliant stuff. Okay, there is that piece of the hull in place. It all needs squaring up yet. There are other pieces to pop into place yet, and this stand does need a little bit of reinforcement underneath, I think. Last but not least, we have this cross beam section which goes across here, and we need the DP screws again for that. 4 of. There we go. You can see how that piece goes. It goes over that tube there. There we go. Those are the 4 DP screws. There we go. There's that added piece of the hull. Looking pretty good. I have popped this into place as well. It's all the compartment, the listening and radio room. Just I'll show you that in a sec. So there we go. That is the hull of the submarine at the moment. Yeah. That's that side and this side. There we go. I have popped the other compartments in. It doesn't go in yet. It doesn't even go in the next pack. But you can see how it's going to progress. That's looking excellent. Okay, but we do start on the central command compartment next month. Brilliant stuff. Anyway, there we go. And this temporary stand, yeah, can be a little bit awkward actually, but it needs a base basically. There we go. There we go. It'll look alright like that on the shelf anyway. There we go. There's a temporary stand. Thankfully. Okay, I need to square all this up as well. Once we get the other parts into place, all these little gaps will start to disappear. Excellent stuff. So there we go guys. That is the U96 U-boat for this month. Yeah, 2 lovely big sections of the hull. But not a great lighthouse. But there is the magnet there as well. So we can take the doors off, or take the that section of the hull off. Yeah, keep looking at it, but yeah, it's coming on great now. I can put it on the upper shelf. Excellent stuff. Now if you did like that, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you next month for the next 4 issues. Lovely jubbly. Thanks for tuning in and watching. Stay safe. Bye for now.